Good day to my future employer. I hope you give me a chance to work in your family. By the way, my name is Roblyn Gunayan. I am 42 years old, married with 3 children, loving boy. Ages 26 years old, 24 years old, and 20 years old. My educational background is college level, business management, major in marketing. My working experience in a Chinese family of 4. 2 adults, one grandmother, and one 7 years old boy. My main duties is responsibilities is bring him to school and picking up. And also I do a household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, car washing, and sometimes I go to the market if they need it. And also I have a working experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. A member of 3 family, 2 adults, and one baby girl 8 months. My main duties is responsibilities is taking care the 8 months baby girl, like feeding, changing diaper, taking her bathing, and also I teach her how to count the number, how to identify the color, how to identify the name of animals, and sometimes I teach her how to identify the sounds of animals. And also I teach her how to read a storybook. If the baby are going to sleep, I started cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. And that is my working experience. Sir and ma'am, I hope you give me a chance to work in your family. And I promise I will treat your family the same like my own family. And I will treat your children the same like my own children. And also I am a fast learner and also I'm willing to learn. I hope I will I hope and I'm so excited to see you soon. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.